Good morning, students. Myself Sunaina Chavan.
Myself Dhanashree Jeremiah.
We are from Rajiv Gandhi International School, Dabadi, Malegaon. We are science teachers. Students, today is 5th June. 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day every year. We all know we live in the house of the earth, whose roof is environment. So we should take care of this both.
One thing is sure is that we all know that we are our big beautiful planet, that is Earth, is similar for us. It lives, it breathes, and also it ages just like us. Sometimes it's sick ill. 90% of the time it is caused just by us.
So students, if we want to be safe and healthy, then we should take care of our environment. So today, on the occasion of Environment Day, we are going to perform some activities to protect our environment. Our first activity is making seed balls.
And the second activity is making seedlings.
So, seed balls is a Japanese technique for tree plantation. It is very easy and simple method of tree plantation. So we will start the activity. So, the things required for this activity are soil, some different types of seeds, and water. Okay, now we will start the activity. Start to make seed balls. We will take soil in our hand and insert any seed. Now here I have neem seed. Insert seed in that soil and make a ball. See, here we made some balls, some seed balls. After that, we will keep these balls under sunlight for whole day for drying. These seed balls will help us to get oxygen. How it is, that I will explain. See, nowadays pandemic situation is going on, and we realize that oxygen is very important to live our life. So when we throw these seed balls anywhere, means open places in our surrounding or beside the roads, then these seed balls automatically get planted in the soil. We have to throw these balls mostly in a rainy season. Okay, so when we throw these balls, then these balls, seed balls, will automatically get planted in the soil. They will get rainwater and they will grow itself and they become some tree. So in this way we will get oxygen, then we will get fruits as well as shadow also.
Now I am going to start the second activity. Our second activity is seedling the plant. Okay. For that, here are some requirements. We want soil. If it is a dry soil, we add some water and make it moisturized. Those are the polythene bags and some of the seeds here. First of all, we have to, and we require some water.
Let's do our activity. First of all, we have a soil. Now, first of all, we take one polythene bag and put some amount of soil in that. Add some amount of a manual or cow dung in that soil, but I already mixed it in this soil. So I am directly add the soil in a polythene bag. Now I am going to add the seed. Now I am going to add soil again. Now I am pour some soil and pour water in it. And keep this bag under the sunlight. After some days it will grow into a seedling.
Tree planting is actually the tree transplanting the seedling. Okay. I want to tell you some benefits of tree planting. By planting the trees, we actually securing our lives of the future generation. Trees are regulating the Earth's temperature. Also, trees act as a natural filter, which helps to absorb the carbon dioxide and emits the oxygen. Save
Save
Earth,
Earth, save trees.
Happy
Happy
Environment
Environment Day. Thank you.
Thank you.